Right behind me is a $50 million listing here in beautiful La Jolla. It's not sunny today, but it's still beautiful, and I cannot wait to show it to you. We are at the entrance right here. So with that being said, let's check out the home. So as you walk in from your own private area, you have an area where you can just relax right next to the pool, which is very interesting because you have a pool in front of the property, right? So let's go check out the rest of the house. Very calming and soothing. You have the stairs right there, the floating stairs. Walking into the property, look how beautiful this is. You have the mini wine cellar right here. Where do you guys want to start? I say let's go start on this side. And look, first of all, look at the roof. Oh my god, insane. You got the painting, beautiful lighting. This is the first bathroom. Isn't this beautiful? Very masculine, this specific one. There's people behind us, so we're gonna go see other rooms in the meantime. With that being said, you have an area here. I think that's the, yeah, that's for the dog. I was actually considering getting that. So this, I think, is one of the bedrooms. It's not a master. I think the master is upstairs. We have a TV right here, the beautiful bed. Actually, I think this might be the master. Look at this. This is, oh my god. Look at this. Beautiful stones. The color is amazing. Again, this is $15 million. It looks like it. It feels like it. You are on the water in La Jolla. The street is called Bird Rock. So, very premium if you know La Jolla. But this right here, look at this closet. Everything is custom. Isn't this beautiful? How does this even work? Put your hand. Interesting. Is this one gonna work? Guys, I don't even know how to make this work. Oh my god, alright. Let's go see the rest of the house. And you have the entrance where you can just lock up the door. Look at this. And you have a telescope where you can look at the moon probably at night. You have another hot tub here. Look, you go to the hot tub and then you just go right there and shower. Look at the rest of the house. And then we're gonna go see the rest of the first floor. Let's check out the living area. This is right here is beautiful. Custom couch, the kitchen. Pretty large for 15 million. Look at this. The coffee machine over here. This fridge is insane. Got the lights underneath right there. And you have more area for the wine. All the information is right here for the home, makes it easier. Got a little sink here. Thanks for the bar. Yes, it is. You got another bathroom here for the guests. This one is a little bit more feminine, just clean, white toilet. Let's see what else we have in here. Office space where you can just get some work done. I don't think this counts as a bedroom though. There's no closet. And then you do have an area. It's called the powder area where you get your clothes cleaned and washed and you get to see a little bit of the outside. Let's see the garage. Let's see what they're packing in here. Of course they got the 911. I think this is the turbo. Beautiful. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's see what else we have. So this is what it looks like from this point of view. And this is from the entrance right there. Look at these lights. Let's go up. Hello.
Hello.
Look at this, custom. You can see the street from the side right there. Oh, here we go. We got a bathroom. Beautiful. Very clean.
Hi,
hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I'm Nicole, if you have any questions.
This is the other bedroom. Let's check it out. You have all the information right there. Very similar to the first floor. This might be the master. It's so confusing. The bedrooms are so large. Everything is custom in this beautiful $15 million home. Insane, right? You got all the stuff, which I'm not gonna show the expensive materials because I don't want any trouble. But I will show you another area from this bedroom. So coming in, you have the TV right here to watch movies at night, and you get up to this view right here and the ocean. You have a little bit of a firework here and your own balcony. And look, this is what I'm talking about. The boardwalk, this neighborhood is very, very expensive. You can say that a lot of billionaires live here, but in La Jolla, this is one of the most premium areas to live in. It's beautiful, expensive. Like for example, this home right here, they have an area or just a dock that goes all the way down to the beach. This property, I don't think they have it, but you could potentially build it. The hot tub is right there. Let's keep on with our tour. Let's see some horses over here. Let's see the other bedroom. Oh, look at this. Floating. I love this. That's amazing. Built in 2018. You got another closet here, which is a little bit smaller. Let's see the bathroom and shower. Look at this. Shower with an ocean view. That is insane. But at this price range, I think it's kind of a given. Beautiful. And then you turn on the shower from here, and then it comes out from here. You do have a lot of light coming into, which is really nice. And the tub is right here, so very easy access to the beach. Let's keep checking out the home. I think this is the last bedroom. You got the closet in here, and then I think this is, wow, look at this. Masculine bathroom and shower. I love this. I love this. Very clean, minimal. What do you guys think so far? Got a closet here too. And then I think we have another area to check. Let's check it out. Last one is here, which is the balcony. Let's close this bad boy up. And you can entertain here. You can have family, friends to come, and let's see, and you can also open this area, which is open right now. Let's open it up. And this is where you can have all your parties, entertainment, all the fun stuff, and just really, really enjoy La Jolla. Look at the water right there. Isn't this magical? What do you guys think? Is this worth $50 million? Leave a comment, like, let me know what you think. And also, if you are looking to move to sunny San Diego, if you're looking to buy a home in La Jolla or anywhere in San Diego, I'm going to leave all my information in the description of this video. So you can call me, text me, contact me. I'm here to help you with your next move. And until next video, до свидания. And I completely forgot to show you guys the outdoor area. So let's do that right now. Because it's still sunny, it's still really beautiful. Well, not the most sunny, but I can show you more from the first floor before we go upstairs. Look at this. What do you guys think? Can I jump all the way there?